Okay, so I mentioned before that Real Networks, I'm going to go back to that folder again. Um, Real Networks has not only the downloader and the main application, but it also has a converter and a trimmer. So let's take a look at what those are. I'm going to open up the converter first. The converter allows you to take any video and convert it to a different file type. So typically when a Real Player video is um, saved, it's saved as an MP4 video file, which is now becoming the most standard video file type on the internet. However, sometimes I might want to take a video and maybe I just want the audio of it. Like let's say for instance I wanted oh my goodness, I gotta come up with the name of um, I have to come up with the name of a song, so I will say the Beatles. I don't even know why I came up with them, but all right, so greatest hits. We Penny Lane. Okay, here we go. Oh, of course I picked one with an ad, but I'll skip this in a second. Okay, so what I want to do first is I'm going to copy this video. Okay, and I'm going to download it. Just a little review of our downloader here. See how my little thing, oh, now it's popping up, but it didn't pop up before. Oops. This is an example of a video that doesn't actually download. So that was actually a good choice there. Okay, let's pick something else. Bring back the 90s. Okay.
I relate most to Slade.
I really love Screech. He was really dorky, and I'm.
Okay, so let's say that I've saved this video. So of course it's now downloading. Any video that you want to convert to a different file format, all you're going to need to do is drag the video into, we'll use this one, into the downloader. Or converter, I'm sorry. And then what you're going to do is you're going to choose what you want to convert it to. So usually a lot of options come up. It usually says show all, and there's all of these different options. So I want to say, you know, maybe I want a different video format. Like let's say that I want to put it in like in a PowerPoint presentation. I can save it as a Windows Media Player video file by choosing this and saying OK. And then when I hit start, it's going to convert the video into that format. Or let's say that I picked the song that I just chose, which let's choose a different one here. Um, okay, I guess we'll do the same video. But now I don't want this to be a video. I just want it to be an audio file. I really only want to use the sound. I can go to audio formats and make it an MP3 file or a WAV file or a different audio format and click OK. And now what it's going to do when I hit start is it's going to convert that file and it's going to put it in the same folder that the original video was in. So now I have the Trump video, but now I have this and it's just the audio of that video, which is kind of cool because you could put this like you could steal music from the internet, or you could just use it like as the background. Um, of a presentation or, you know, something like that. So that's the converter. I also want to show you the trimmer. So the trimmer, we're going to open up as well. And one thing you're going to notice is that with any program, whoops, you can make a shortcut to it by finding it in this list and right-clicking on it and saying pin to the taskbar. If you do that, it'll actually take it and put the icon here as a shortcut. So when I open the trimmer, what the Real Trimmer does is it allows you to trim video. Here it is open, and I'm just going to drag a video file in. We'll just bring that same news one I had on. And what it lets you do now is come down here and kind of trim that video. So if there was a little something at the beginning or end that you didn't want, you can choose which section of the video you want. And I can say save trim. And it's going to save this. I can name it and say trimmed video. And say save. And now what that did, just say OK to that, it took the trimmed video and it saved it onto my computer as well. So those are just some other tools that are part of that real network that are kind of useful and you might end up using.